The backend code of our comment is completely set up. The only remaining work is to create Cubit, inject the classes in the dependency injection container, and then back to the utilizing methods of comment in the UI. And also at the end of the video, I have one more task for you to complete in order to not miss the new learning of the video, also testing your coding skills by completing the task. Stay in touch and let's get started. So in the previous video, we just create the model for our comment, and also we have implemented all the methods like update, read, like, and delete. Also create the comment, and it's time to go to create the Cubit for the comment, and then simply inject them in the injection container, and then go to the UI part to utilize all these methods in the UI. So first of all, in the Cubit directory, we will create a new directory. Its name will be comment. Inside this, we are going to have the Cubit class, use the equatable and name it comment. Inside this, we are going to have, or we have, the stat and Cubit files. In the stat, first of all, we have to copy this initial stat and paste it 3 times. And the first stat will becomes loading, comment loading, and next will be comment loaded, and finally comment failure. In the load stat, what we will do, final list of comment entity, the list of documents in our cloud first database. These will be snapshots and we will convert it into Dart objects, so this will become list of comment entity. Then we will show all these comments in the list view using the list view builder. So this will be list comment entity, its name will be comments, and also import the comment entity in here, and also pass these comments in the constructor, and not forget to make these names and also make it required and pass it in the props for value equality. And in the comment Cubit, first we have to take the instance of all the use cases we have for the comment. So this will be final create comment use case, create comment use case. This will be final delete comment use case and delete comment use case, final like comment use case, and the like comment use case name will be, and fourth one will be final read comment use case will be read comment use case, and final update comment use case will be update comment use case. Now it's time to import them. So after importing these use cases in here, we have to pass them in the constructor. So after passing these in the constructor, now we have to create the methods in here, like to update the comments, read, like, delete, and create. So first we have to go to the Cubit post, and we will copy this get post from here and paste it in here, and change its name to get comments. Change the entity to comment entity, and this will be comment, and this will be comment, and this will be comment loading. Import the socket exception from the .io package and copy only the comment to set the stats. This will be comment failure, this accept comments, and we will call the use case of read comment use case, and this is going to accept only the string post ID instead of the comment entity, and these will be comments. And that was it for the get comment method in the Cubit. First we emit the loading stat, then we call the read comment use case, and this will go for the method which we have in here, the read comments method, and it will perform its action when we call this in the UI, and then as its tab is stream list of comment entity, we just listen to this stream and this give us the list of comment entity, and we pass this list of comment entity in here. So simply this method will convert the snapshot to dot objects and will give us the list of comment entity, and then we will simply load them in our UI using the BLoC builder in the list view. So that was it for the get comment method. And for those next methods we have to do the same. Go to the post Cubit, we will copy, or let's copy only single method and paste it in here, and this will be like comment, and the entity will accept the comment entity and comment, pass it in here. This will be like comment use case, and copy the failures from here, and that was it for the like comment. Now copy this and paste it right here and change its name to delete comment, and everything will remain the same, delete comment use case, and that was it. Now copy it again, paste it right here. This will be to create comment, and simply call the create comment use case from here, and the last one is to update comment and pass the update comment in here. So that was it for the Cubit. We have created the get comment method, like comment method, delete, create, and finally update. So that was it for the Cubit of the comment. So it's time to go and inject this in the dependency injection container. We have the injection container in here. First we have to copy this post Cubit from here and paste it right here. We will name this post Cubit injection the comment Cubit injection. We will change its name to comment Cubit and remove these methods from here. Now we will pass them one by one. Create comment use case will be sl.call, and this will start searching for the use case which we are going to register after this. This will be delete sl.call and like sl.call and read sl.call and finally update sl.call. That was it for registering the Cubit. Now it's time to go and register the comment use cases. Copy this post use cases, and right after, not here after repository but after this post, we have to paste it like this, change its name to comment, and first will be create, or I have an idea like this. Now select this post and select the corresponding post right here and change its name to comment. Now import them one by one because the names are the same, or we have read comment use case maybe. Oh okay, we have read comment, but it must be read comments. Okay, make it like this, read comments use case, and go to the use cases, read comment and change to read comments use case. And also in the Cubit this will be read comments use case, read comments use case, and also read comments use case and read comments use case. So that was it. Now go to again in the injection container, the like comment use case will be the same, update will also be the same, and finally the delete will also be the same. So that was it also for the injecting the use cases. And now there is an error. We have to also change the read comments use case in the Cubit. So that was it for the Cubit of the comment and injecting of these comment classes in here. Now first of all we have to do in the comment page, we have this expanded widget in here and that comment container, which is a simple username, this is comment, and let's open the emulator, close this keyboard. We have this single comment in here. So when the user comments, it will look something like this. So first of all, we have to do in here, just to close this comment like this. Inside this comment, we will create a new directory. Its name will be widgets. This is the separate widgets for these comments, and inside this we will create a dart file, and its name will be single comment widget. And in the comment page, we will copy this container from here and go to in here, create a stateless widget. This will be single comment widget, and import the Flutter material dart and paste this container in here. Open this, import these colors and also this common, or it's also imported from here. We have to make it stat full widget just because we are showing reply in here, and we also have to do one more thing. First of all, import this from container widget, go to the comment page, and here we have to cut this from here and paste it right here just because now it will work in here. So that was it for the is user replying variable, and now we will delete this from here. Now there will be a list view dot builder will accept the context and the index and will return the single comment widget, which accept nothing for now. Import this, and the item count will be, let's say, 10. Now how to start the application? Open up the emulator and go to the comment page, and we got these comments, the 10 comments in here just because we set the item count in here 10. Now when the user comment in here, all the comments will be counted in here. So that will be just like this. Now first of all, we have to do in here to create the comment, and we are not getting the comment, and this will be for now just like this, these 10 comments, and these are the 10 dummy comments which do nothing for now. So we have to create the comment for this first. So to create the comment, in the comment section in here, that's the post on which we will call the method to create the comment. Like this is this post text. When we click this, this will call the method and will create the comment in the Cloud Firestore database. So first of all, in here we will wrap this post text widget with the widget, and this widget will be our gesture detector which gave us the onTap method. And open this. In here we will call the create comment method. So let's create the create comment method in here, create comment and open body. From here we will call the BLoC provider dot of context, and this will be of type comment Cubit. And from here we will call, okay, first import the Flutter BLoC, and then from the comment Cubit we will call the create comment, which requires the comment entity. In here we will pass all the data or the data of the comment. So the total replies of the comment will be 0 for now, and comment ID will be generated randomly by the UUID package dot, okay, first import it, and then this will be v1, and the create at will be timestamp dot now, and also import this timestamp from the Cloud Firestore package, and the likes will be empty for now, and username will be the current username to get the current username, we need the current user data in this comment page. Okay, we will get it. For now, let's keep it empty. And user profile URL will also be come from the current user. Description will comes from the, we have the controller in here. In the comment section, we have the text field, but we don't have the controller, so the controller will be description controller. And copy this and go a bit up here, and in here we are going to have the text editing controller. Description controller equals to text editing controller, and also dispose it in the dispose override method dot dispose. That was it. Now take this data from the description controller dot text, and the creator UID will also be the current user UID. Leave it like this for now, and the post ID will also come from the post card widget of the post while navigating to this comment page, so we will also leave this post ID for now. So to get the current user and the post ID in the comment, so it means we need two entities of the post and the current user, but we only can pass only one thing while navigating to the next page. Like we can pass only one argument while navigating to the next page. Like if I show you in the on generate route, we only can pass, like if the argument is user entity, then simply pass it and go to the next page. But here in the comment page, we need two things, the post ID and the current user UID, to load the current user on the ID and the post ID to get the comments. Or also to create the comment, we also need the post ID, just because first we will go on the post, the specific post, and in here we are going to have the comments, and in the comment collection there will be all the comments of that particular post. So to get two things in one page, the only way to do this, first go to the domain layer, and in the entities we will directly create a new file and will name it app entity, and this app entity will be a class app entity, and its data will not going to store in any CloudFast or database, just because this is for our personal use. So inside this we will pass the final user entity, current user, and the final post entity, and also we can pass final string UID and final string post ID. So that was it. Now create the constructor for them and make them named and also require them, or we have to make it null, not required. So pass the question mark in front of them to make them nullable. That was it. Now while navigating to the comment page from the single post card widget, from here we are navigating to the comment page here. So this is going to accept the arguments of the app entity, import this, and it is going to accept the UID of the current user UID, and the post ID will comes from widget dot post ID. So in the app entity we got the current user ID also and the post ID also. Now while navigating to the comment page here, we will check the condition. if the arguments is app entity, then simply return the comment page, otherwise error widget, or let's say the page not found in here. And also this comment page is going to accept the final app entity and pass it in the constructor, and it will be required in the onGenerate route. We will pass app entity arguments. So in the app entity we got two things, the post ID and the current user ID. So that's how we send two arguments of different entities in one page at the time. So for that we create the app entity, and in the app entity you also can create anything you want to send to the next page. You can create comment entity and anything you want. So now in the comment page we got the post ID and the current user UID. So now to get the current user on the current UID in here, on the body of the scaffold we will wrap this column with the BLoC builder. This will be get single user Cubit, and import this get single user Cubit, and this will be single user. Here we will check the condition. If the single user is get single user loaded, so we will do final single user equal to, or its name will be single user stat, single user stat dot user, and close this column, cut it from here and paste it right here. And here we will simply return center child circular progress indicator. And that was it, we got the single user in here. Now first of all, in the comment section, the comment section is going to require the user entity will be current user, or we can name it only user, but current user is more meaningful. So, and here now it will going to accept the current user will be the single user. And now when we call this create comment in here, so this is also going to require the current user. So we will pass the current user entity current user in here, and now we will accept this current user data from this current user dot username, and this will be current user dot user or profile URL, and the creator UID will also come from the current user dot UID. And now for the post ID, we will directly pass the ID from the widget dot app entity dot post ID, as we pass from the get single postcard widget. Like we pass the post ID in here, this post ID of the post, and we got it in here, so we pass it directly in here. And next argument, or that are enough, that was it for the create comment. Now when we call this or click this post, this will throw an error of the context does not contain the comment Cubit and also the get single user Cubit. So we know that to prevent this, we also have to create one file in here. Its name will be get, or not get, but the comment main widget, and we will copy all the content of the comment page in the comment, and we will change its name to comment main widget, and remove this from here. And in the comment page, we will delete everything from here. This will be simply stateless widget will be comment page, and import the Flutter material, and this is going to accept final app entity, pass it in the constructor, so errors will be gone. And this is going to return the comment main widget and pass the app entity in here. That pass it required the name, so that's it, pass it like this. Now wrap this comment main widget with the BLoC provider, and this will be, first of all import the BLoC and then pass the Cubit from the dependency injection. So first we have to import the injection container as di, and this will be di.sl, and this will be comment Cubit, and that was it. Now make this or convert this BLoC provider to multi-BLoC provider, and this is also going to accept the get single user Cubit. Remove this BLoC from here, or this will be the type of di.sl get single user Cubit, and also pass its type to this and also this. Now while going to the comment main page, we have used get single user Cubit and also the comment Cubit, so now it will contain the get single user Cubit and the comment Cubit in the context. And now in the init stat, we have to do one thing. It will be BLoC provider dot of context, and the context will be of get single user Cubit to get the single user Cubit, and the UID will comes from widget dot app entity dot UID of the current user, and pass the assertion operator here because it was nullable. So what we have done in here, we get the single user in here on the get single user Cubit, but for that there was need of the UID, and we get the UID from the help of app entity, just because they are required the two IDs, UID of the current user and the post ID. So for that we create the app entity in here, and we pass these fields in here, but there was only need of these for now, and we pass it just like this. And in the comment, now we use the current user UID to get the single user, and now on the single user UID we get the single user, and we pass the current user in here to access the current user data, and we also access the post ID, which is coming from the single post card widget from here, this single post card widget. So now in the comment main widget, what we have to do it in here, I think that was it. Now hot restart your application, and it's time to test these methods of create comment. Open up your emulator and go to the comment and type something in here. Let's say hello, this is good, and click this. Nothing will happen. Open up, and something has been done in here. Go to the cloud file store database and restart this, and check out these both documents in here. They do not contain the comment collection, but it must contain. Why is not in here? That is because the code correct, and we have loaded in here. Open up the emulator, and that's because the internet, so I'm sorry for that, the internet connection is not in here. So Let me restart my emulator to access my internet connection again. So I have restarted my emulator and got my internet connection back. So now it's time to again hot restart the application, and in the comment we have to type something. This is good and post it. We have not called any methods of clearing this. We will do it in a while. Now something has happened. Now go to this and comment is incremented by 1. Let's go in here and again in here. So we got the comment collection in this specific post. You can see its comment is incremented by 1, and in the emulator when we go back you can see the comment is 1. And go to the comment. Inside this we got the document of the comment, and in here we got this data of the comment. We got the comment ID randomly generated, the time, and the creator UID, and the description is empty. That's because we have made some mistakes, so that's okay for now. We got the post ID of that particular post. You can see 85B and 85B, and total replies are 0, user profile URL, and also Steve, the name of the user. So let's go and check why the description is null. We have the description controller in here. We are accessing the text of it. We have passed in the text form field in here, and also we have the description controller in here. So everything is correct. So let's hot start the application and delete this comment from here and try it again, and also make this 0. So let's try it again. We will say hello and post it. It will not be clear just because we have not called the clear method on the description controller. So now open this and total comments are incremented by 1. Let's go to user and come again here, and we got the comment collection here. We got the document on the randomly generated ID. We got the comment ID randomly generated, the create at time, creator UID, and we also got the hello description. It was some problem, I don't know why. When I restart the emulator, so it fixed. I don't know what was the problem. It was not picking data from the controller. I don't know what was the problem. So when I restarted, so it works, so it start working. And likes array is empty, and post ID is the specific post ID. You can see B53 and B53 total replies are 0, and we also got the user profile URL in here, and username is Steve. So that was it. We have created the comment, and as I said, we got the comments in the specific document and the specific document of the post, and inside this we got the comment, and there will be all the comments of that post. Let me do another post. Its name will be not post but comment. Its name not name, but the description will be of, let's say, this is good. Now post it. The comments will be incremented by 1. You can see it becomes 2, and another comment is created on that particular post, and the description is this is good. Now it's time to get these comments on this page. So to get that comment, what we have to do in here is to wrap this column with the BLoC builder, and its name will be comment Cubit, and inside this we will change this name of the stat will be comment stat. We will check the condition in here. If the comment stat is comment loaded, so what we will do, we will close this column and cut it from here, paste it inside this body, and here we will simply return again this center circular progress indicator and open it. Now we are on the logic state of the comment. So in here what we will do, inside the list view builder we will do final single comment equal to the comment stat dot comments on the index, and in the single comment widget we will do final comment entity comment. That's it. Now pass it in the, or that will be E and T, and pass it in the constructor. That was it. Now in the comment main widget we will pass this single comment in here. Now that was it. It will load all the comments which are in the comment collection, and also not forget to pass the item count from the comments length, just because it will throw the range error if we don't do this. So that was it. Now how to start the application, and we have to do one more thing in here. Now when we go to the comment page, so there will be circular progress indicator, just because we have to call the get method also. So let's check it. So we got this circular progress indicator in here. So now in the init stat, what we will do, we will copy this BLoC provider method, and right after this we will paste it and change its name to comment Cubit, and change the method name to get comments, and it accepts the post id. Post id will come from widget.appentity.post id. That was it. Put the assertion operator here because the field was nullable. Now again how to start the application, so it will load 2 comments. So go to the comment, and we got the 2 comments here, but their data is not showing. That's because in the single comment widget we have to access the data from this comment. So the username will be comment dot, or this will be widget dot comment dot username, and copy this from here, and this is comment. This will be the description of the comment, and the time will be formatted time as we had for the comments. So we will go to this single postcard widget, and in here we will copy this time from here, and in the single comment widget we will paste it in here, and that format will comes from the Intel package, and widget dot comment dot create at, and the time will remain the same, and reply view replies will be just like this, and that was it. Now again how to start the application, and here we also have to do one thing. We forgot it to change this. Now remove this decoration from here. This will be child clip rect border radius dot circular about 20, and its child will be profile widget, and we're going to accept the image URL from the widget dot comment dot user profile URL. Now again how to start the application to see our code in action. Now open up the emulator and go to the comment, and you can see we got 2 comments, the name of the user profile, and also the description. Now let's post another comment. Let's say I want to say this is good post. Now post it, and you can see this is good post came here. These are 3 comments. We create the comment, and we also read this comment, and you can see the comment is also incremented by 3 times, and it says view all 3 comments. So in the postcard widget we are navigating to the comment page when we click this. So we also want to navigate to the comment page when we click this view all 3 comments. So we will wrap this text with the widget gesture detector on tap. We will also call this method of the going to comment page. Now that was it. Now when we click this, we also can come here, and when we click this, that will be the same. And now we also want to load the user profile in here. So in the comment main widget, in the comment section here, what we have to do, the same we have done for the single comment widget. We'll copy this clip rect from here, and in the single comment widget, or in the comment main widget, we will paste this in here, and the profile widget imported, and the profile URL will come from the current user profile URL, and this will be profile URL. Now reload the application, open up, and we got the current user profile URL in here. So we also have done this. Let's post another comment and say great. Now post it, and the comment has posted in here, but it's not in order. To make it in order, we have to change the order of the post. So while getting the comment in here, we have to do dot order by the create at time, and descending will be true. Now how to start the application? So the most recent comment will come on top. Now go here, and lastly we post the comment of great, and that's on top. So that was it for this. And go to the comment main widget, and next thing we have to do is to update the comment. Now to update the comment, first we have to wrap the single comment with the widget, and then we will open up the bottom model sheet, and there we are going to have the delete comment and the update comment. When we hit the delete comment, so this will delete the comment, and when we hit this update comment, so this will navigate us to the next page, in which this will provide us some field to write again the description of the comment, and then there will be a button to confirm the editing or the updating of the comment. So to do that, first we have to go to the single comment widget, and we will wrap this container with the widget, and this will be ink well instead of just a detector, just because now we want some hover effect. So this ink will give us the hover effects, and when this not only taps but on long press, we will call the on long press void callback method listener. That was it. Copy it, and here we are going to have final void callback. This will be nullable, and also pass it in the constructor. This will be accessed from the widget, just because that's stateful widget. In the comment main widget, where is the list view? Here in the single comment widget, we got now on long press listener when this long pressed. So what we have to do to open a bottom model sheet? So we have already the bottom model sheet in the single postcard widget. So we will close this and copy, go to the comment main widget and paste it down here. Open it, remove this post entity from here for now, and for delete we will call the delete comment in here, but for now let's comment it. And to go to the update comment page, first let's comment it also. Now open bottom model sheet will be called in here, which accept the context. Now that was it, how to start the application to test this. Now go to this comment page and long press this, and the bottom model sheet appears. It's a delete post and update post. Now let's update it to the delete comment and update comment. So this will be delete comment and also update comment. Press Ctrl S to hot reload and again check it. We got delete comment and update comment. So now on the delete comment we will call the delete method to delete this comment. So to do that, in here now uncomment this and create this delete comment method down here. This will be delete comment open body BLoC provider dot of context dot not directly, but we have to pass the comment Cubit in here, and then dot delete comment. We are deleting the comment on the comment ID. So first we have to also pass the string comment ID in here, and this will be comment entity, and the comment ID will be the comment ID, and also put the semicolon here at the end, and that was it. Now this accept the comment ID. So we will do it like this, and this is going to accept the comment entity comment, and we'll get this comment ID from the comment ID, and then the bottom model sheet is going to accept the comment entity also. So to get the comment entity we have to copy this and paste it right here, because that's the single comment entity. Now that was it. Now again how to start application to test also the delete comment method. Now open up the emulator, go to the comment. So now let's try it. Hold this and delete and open up the run, and nothing happens. That's because we have passed the comment ID. Let's check the backend, and in the delete method we are doing on the comment ID, we are deleting it. We first go to the comment, and we also need the post ID in here to go to the post specific document, and inside this we are deleting the comment on the comment specific ID. So we also have to pass the post ID so it will start working. So in the comment man widget, while deleting the comment in here, we have to pass one more thing, that will be string post ID to go to the specific post and then delete the comment on the specific comment ID. So next pass the post ID here, the post ID. That's it. Now it required the post ID also, so access the post ID from the comment dot post ID, and if you make them the name parameters so it will be more clear. Now make them required, and also in here this will be comment ID and the next one will be post ID. That's it. Now in here let's make this also name parameters. This will be build context and the comment entity, and here this will be context, not comment but the context, and the comment will be the comment entity. Now that was it. Again how to start the application, and now this have to work. Open up the emulator, go to the comments page, and then again hold it, this will appear, click this, and you can see the comment is deleted. Let's delete all of these from here, and that's it. Now the comments are deleted. Go to the database and you can see the comments, total comments are decremented, and now they are 0, and the comment collection is empty. Now let's create comment again. It said this is good, post it, and the comment is incremented by 1. We go to user, again to the post, we got the comment collection in here, we got the comment in here. We have to do one more thing in here. Go to the Android Studio and in the emulator you can see when we comment the text is not clearing. So to do that, to make it clear, when this method completes, we have to do in the then method, we have to directly set the stat and the description controller will becomes clear. That's it. Now again, how to start the application. Now again open up the emulator and go to the comments. When we post a comment, okay, and post it, and it's post and the text field is clear and now the comment is posted. So we have done, we have create our post, we get our post, we also can delete the post like this, and now it's time to like the post. To like the post, we have to do one thing, to create the method for like. So in the single comment widget, we have to create one more method. This will be final void callback and will be on like click listener. Pass it in the constructor of the single comment widget. On like listener will be called when we click this icon. So we will wrap this icon with the widget. This will be gesture detector. On tap we will call this widget dot on like click listener, and on the comment main widget we have to do in here, let's put comma here and format the code, and here this required one more on like click listener. Open the body of the void callback method, and now we have to create the method for liking the comment. So as we have created the method for the delete comment, let's create the method for, and this is going to require the comment entity comment, and we have to make it required, and then we have to call like comment in here, and for like we need the comment dot comment id and also the comment dot post id. Next let's go to the remote data source and check what we need next in the like comment. Okay, we need the comment id, we also need the post id, and then we need nothing else other than these two. So that was it. Now this like comment will be called in here on this on like click listener. So we will call this in here, and this accept the comment. So the comment entity is comment stat comment dot on index, put semicolon here. That's it. Now in the single comment widget we have to do when the widget dot comment dot likes dot contains the current UID of the user as we did for the post. If this contains the current UID, so what we will display the same icon but will not be outline, and the same will be for the color. Copy this, and when this contains the UID, the color will be colors dot red, otherwise the color will be gray color. And from the single postcard widget we have to copy one method. This will be get current UID method. In the single comment widget we have to do the in the init stat we will paste this, and also import the injection container as di, and import this and create a variable of string current UID equal to empty string. That was it. Now there are two more errors of the current UID. and also this will be current UID. Their name was not correct, so that's why there was an error. So that was it. We have done everything for like. We have created the method of like comment. This only required the comment ID and the post ID. Now how to start the application to also test this like for the comment. When this restart, go to the comment. Now when we click this and check the run method, we have to do this saying invalid data, nested arrays are not supported. What it means? I think we have made some mistake while creating the methods. In the remote source implementation, we have the like comment. We are accessing to the collection, current UID, the document reference if it exists. We have to array remove likes. We have to remove the comment UID from here but not the likes. And also we have to add the current UID but not the likes. I think that was the mistake. So again, how to start the application to check it. Now when application restart, go to the comment page, click this, it likes, you can see, and the current user UID has added to the in the list. When you click it again, so it's unlike, you can see the ID is removed. That was it for the like. And now the last thing is to go for the update comment. Now to update the comment, in the comment directory we have to create one new Dart file. Its name will be edit comment page, and this will be a stateless widget for now. Edit comment page, and import the Flutter material, and this is going to accept final comment entity comment because we will take the data, and this will be required, and there will be scaffold in the body. We are going to have the column children, and there will be an app bar title. Text will be edit comment, and also the background color will be background color of our app coming from the const. The background color will be also the same of the app bar. And in the column there will be, first we have to wrap the column with the padding, and it will be symmetric, horizontally 10 and vertically 10. And then in the column we are going to have the profile form widget, and the title will be comment for now. And the controller, let's create the controller. We have to convert the stateless to stateful, and there will be text editing controller, description controller will be nullable, and the data will come from the comment entity. The description controller will becomes equal to text editing controller, and the text will come from widget.comment.description. That was it. And also pass the controller description controller, and that's it. In here down this there will be some size vertical about 10, and there will be button container widget, which text will be save changes, and it's on tab listener. We will call the update method in here. So that was it for now. From the comment main widget, when this update comment is clicked, we have to uncomment this first one, and we will go for the update comment page, and we're going to accept the comment entity. So inside the page const. We don't have the update comment page const, so we have to go to the page const, and here let's Ctrl D to duplicate this, and we got the update comment page. Now in the onGenerate route, we will copy one route in here. The update post page, we'll paste it in here and change its name to update comment page, and we will check if the arguments are the comment entity. Then we will go to the update comment page, import this, or this is edit comment page. It accepts the comment and the arguments. That's it. Now how to start the application to test this? Now go to the comment page, hold this, go to the update comment page, and we came here. This is the button of save changes, which do not work for now, and we got the description of that post or comment in here. So what we have to do in the edit comment page to change the color of this will be blue color. That's it, and that's the title of this. So we have to do description, not the comment, so it becomes description. That's it. From here we will update our comment. So to call the BLoC provider.of context update comment, in this update edit comment page, this will say the context do not have the comment Cubit to call this method. So for edit comment page, we have to create the edit comment main widget, and will transfer all the code from the edit comment page to edit main widget, edit comment main widget, and then in the edit comment page or in the edit comment main widget, we will change its name to edit comment main widget, and in the edit comment page we will remove everything, stateless widget, edit comment page, and we're going to accept the final comment entity comment and pass it in the constructor, and also import the Flutter material, and this will accept the edit comment main widget, which also accept the comment, and also import this and wrap this with the BLoC provider, and this will be comment Cubit and will be di.sl comment Cubit. Now import the Flutter BLoC provider and also import the injection container as di. Now in the comment main widget, now we are not in the comment main widget but edit comment main widget, we are free to use the method of edit comment, which will require to call the comment Cubit. So here we will do the edit comment, and inside this we will do BLoC provider dot of context. From this we will call the comment Cubit. Now this context have the comment Cubit just because while navigating to the edit comment page we have given the comment Cubit to the context. Now it has the comment Cubit, so we will call the update comment, and this will be the comment entity. We have to pass three things. Post ID will comes from comment widget dot comment dot post ID, and the comment ID will come from widget dot comment ID, and the description will comes from description controller dot text. That's it. And pass the assertion operator because that's nullable. Now in here we have to do one more thing, create the boolean variable to show the circular progress indicator while the field is updating. So this will be boolean is comment updating equal to false, and when this method calls we will set the state is comment updating equal to true. When this completes, in then method we will do again the set state, this will becomes false, and also the description controller dot will becomes clear, and also this will navigator dot pop the context to go back to the comment page, and let's call the edit comment in here. That was it. Now again how to start the application, and there is an error in the onGenerate route. It is saying that in the edit comment page it is outside from this, so we have to pass it inside this and make it put a comma here and make this required, so this will become name, so the error will be gone from here. And that was it. Now again how to start the application. So when application is start, in the edit comment page we left one thing, while this is true we will display down the this button container widget 10, there will be row children, main axis alignment will be in the center, there will be some text of saying updating will be style, text style, color will be colors dot white, and this will be updating, and there will be some size horizontal about 10, there will be circular progress indicator with this. Now we are controlling, now we will control this is comment updating. When this was true we will show this, otherwise a container width will be 0 and height will be 0. Now how to start the application to see the changes. Now when application is start, go to this page and hold this and go to the update comment page. Let's write something else and say this was bad and save changes, and the comment is updated, it is saying this was bad. Now update it again. Now let's say a more times, update it, and now it's updated. We can like the post, unlike the post, not the post but the comment, we can update, and we can post the comment, we can also delete the comment, and now it's time to load the single post data in here. So in the comment main widget here on the top we have to do to load the single comment on the post ID. Do we have the get single post method in the Firebase repository? Let's check it. We don't have the single post. To create it, go to the Firebase repository. In the post feature we will replicate this and we will change its name to read single post, and this will going to accept the string post ID and copy it, paste it in the remote data source also, and in the Firebase repository implementation override this missing method and simply put arrow function here, remote data source dot read single post. That's it. Now in the remote data source implementation we have to override this and copy or cut it from here and take this where the get read comments is located. So this will be like this. So for reading the single post, we will copy this and paste it right here, and after this order by, we have to do dot where the post id equal to post id. That's it. Now we have to create the use case for this. In the post, we have to create one file. This will be read single post use case, and in the read post copy all these and paste it inside this. This will be read single post, not posts but post, and this will be read single post, and we're going to accept string post id and post id. And for reading the single post, we have to create a separate method as we have for the single user. So inside the post, we have to create new directory. Its name will be get single post. And inside this, we have to create new Cubit class will be get single post, and open this. The stats will be 3, and this will be get, this will be loading, second one will be loaded, and the third one will be failure. And this loaded will going to accept the final post entity post and pass it in the constructor, make it required, and also pass it in the props of value equality. In the get single post Cubit, this is going to accept final get single post, not get but read single post use case, read single post use case, and import this use case from this and pass it in the constructor required this dot read single post use case, and go to the post Cubit and copy, or in the get single user, go to the get single user and copy this method from here and paste it right here. This will be get single post, and only change the user to post. So this will become like this. This will be post, and import the socket exception from .io. This will be read single post use case, and string post id will be just like this, and this will be post dot first. Now we have implemented this. Now it's time to go and implement or inject them in the injection container. So we will copy this and paste it right here. We will do get single post Cubit and remove all these from here. This except only read single post use case will be SL call. That's it. Now in the post, we have to duplicate this and change this use case name to get or read single post use case. Now import it. That's it. Now go to the single comment main widget, and on this BLoC provider, we will wrap this with the another BLoC builder. Its name will be get single post Cubit, and import this. The stat name will be single post stat, and inside this you will check the condition. If the single post stat is single get single post loaded, then we will return copy, close this and cut paste it inside this, and here we will return the same thing center circular progress indicator. Now we are on the loaded state of the git single post. So from this we will do final single post equal to single post stat dot post, and this data will come from the single post dot username, and this container, let's remove this decoration from here. There will be child clip rect and border radius dot circular about 20, and its child will be profile widget, and in the image URL there will be single post dot profile user profile URL, and also this description will comes from single post dot description. And while navigating to the comment main widget, in the comment page we have to provide the git single post Cubit, otherwise this will say the context does not have the git single post Cubit, so we have to provide it in here. And in the edit comment main widget, the same we are loading like the git single post Cubit, the same we are loading like the git single user Cubit. We will load the git single post Cubit, and from this we will call git single post, and the post ID will be widget.appentity.postid. So on that particular post ID we have get the single post of that user. Now how to start the application to save the changes and check this out. Now go to this comment page and we got the data of the user. This user don't have any profile, so it's like this, his name is this, and post description is I123. That was it. So we got the post data in here, we got user profile in here. We can create posts like this is good, I posted, comment is posted, we can like it, we can unlike it, we can also update it. This is worst I of the world. That's it. Save it and it's updated. We also can delete this. So we are done with our create, read, update, delete, and also like the comment. So we have done this part. We also can go to this comment from here, and that was it for this video. And also I have one task for you. What you have to do in here to create the reply entity and think what fields we are going to require for the reply, and that will be the task for you to you must have to complete it to test your skills. So create the reply entity and also the methods. The methods will be the same like create, read, update, delete, and also like the reply. Implement the Firebase repository and Firebase remote source, and also in the remote source implementation everything will be the same. What we will have is for reading the post we got the directly post and then we get the post, and for the comment in the create comment we first go to the specific post and then we get all the comments of the specific post. And in the case of reply you have to go to the first the specific post, and then you have to go to like this dot document and the comment dot comment ID, and then you have to do one more collection. This will be Firebase const dot reply. So the scenario of the reply will be just like this. So you have to implement this and also simply create the Cubit for the reply and inject these in the injection container, and also if you can utilize them in the UI. So that will be the only feature for the reply. So that's a task for you. You have to complete this, so the next video will be uploaded very quickly. So that was it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, show some love in the comment section and also let me know if something is not clear to you. So for now, goodbye and I will see you in the next video.